Hi guys, Happy New Year. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Supo. Actually, kenono kumsi mefebia kanino kono soni bobonibo eba kita tana Supo. The Igbo language cafe. Afambo piopala. Abomoni kuzunu eba kita ta na Supo. The Igbo language cafe. So, Happy New Year. Welcome into 2020. Afomano in Igbo, Happy New Year is Afoma. So Afomano. I hope you guys have had a good ushering of the 2020 year celebration. For me, it was absolutely wonderful. I slept through through. However, at about 12 a.m., my dad, my uncles, my aunties, all of them in Nigeria, in the village with my grandma, they called me. So you can imagine in bed and hearing these wonderful, beautiful people singing happy birthday to me. That was absolute bliss. I love that. So guys, that was it for me. It's my birthday, so I am on my mom. I also woke up this morning to my kids singing happy birthday. So throughout the day has been Happy New Year, happy birthday. That's what it's been. Now in previous years, on my birthday, I just oh my god, I'm getting old. I don't know if it happens to other people as well, where because you're getting old, you feel so low. This year, I'm getting old, but yes, I'm doing it with grace, man. This is a time to celebrate getting old, if that's what it has to be. But seriously, I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful for another year. Grateful to God. I thank God for everything. I know people that have not made it this far. Here I am. So, what to expect in 2020 with Supo? Like I said yesterday in my closing out video for 2019, I'm starting the Supo project now. The Supo project has actually started. I'm going to show you, just watch out. Just watch this clip now. Hi guys.
Hi.
Okay. You guys remember that we're talking about the Supo project? It's the 1st of January. So, to say Happy New Year in January, you say Afoma. Afoma. Good. So Happy New Year is Afoma. Now, if I say Kedu. Kedu. Odima. Good, because Kedu means hello, and you say what? Odima. Odima means I'm well. Odima, everything is okay. That's Odima. Now, the next thing I'm going to ask you is, I'll ask everybody. Ralo. Kedafage.
Kedafage.
And Kedafage means what is your name? So Kedafage.
Kedafage Charles.
Mba. So, Charles, Mba is no Mba. Kedafage, I'm asking you a question. Okay, I'll ask Hannah first. Honey.
Yes.
Kedafage. Afambo Hannah. Well done. Afambo Hannah. Sammy, Kedafage. No. Afambo Samuel. Ralo Kedafage.
Kedafage Charles.
Yeah. Kedafage. Guys, listen to Hannah. Kedafage. Kedafage.
Afambo Charles.
Afambo Samuel. My last question to you guys is Arone Kede. Ralo. Arone Kede, and that means how old are you? Arone Kede.
11.
You have to make a sentence, man. Suputa puro. Or suputa make a sentence. Suputa, yeah.
Suputa.
Mba. Arone Kede, Ralo.
Uba.
Sammy, what is Uba? Hannah, Arone Kede. Okay, guys, hold on. I'll teach you. Hold on. Wait. So when I say Arone Kede, you say Adim. Adim is I am. So Adimaro, I am.
Adimaro Asata.
Mba, Hannah, Adimaro Asato.
Adimaro Asato.
Ralo, Adimaro Irinotu.
I'm Adimaro Arinotu.
Say it again.
Adimaro Arinotu.
Adimaro Irinotu.
Adimaro Arinotu.
And Sammy, say Adimarato.
Adobaro.
Adimarato. So well done, guys. Well done, guys. You may make off, ma. So well done in Igbo is Jisike. So when I say Jisike, I mean well done. So Jisike. No, I'm telling you well done. So Hannah, Charles, Samuel, Jisienike. You tell me Emma, Dalo. Emma Dalu means okay, thank you. Okay. So guys, do you want to say goodbye to everyone? Cordino. Cordinos. Yep, that's a clip from my children, all of them shouting happy New Year and trying to say their name. It's gonna take a while for them to learn, but it's fine. It's fine. But I'm here to teach them, so that's what we'll be doing. The super project is started now. It's all going to be about me teaching the children how to speak Igbo, showing what we're doing. And if you haven't seen my video on how to learn or attitudes to have in 2019 for speaking Igbo, yes, I did that last January. If you haven't seen the video, please have a look at that video. I was talking about the kind of attitudes to have, being present, things to do in order to actively learn how to speak Igbo, not just Igbo, any language at all. I'm going to be implementing these 5 attitudes into the whole process of teaching the children Igbo now, so including going out to meet other people Igbo. And that's why I talked about the super project. At some point in the super project, in about 3 months, I'll let everyone know when that is. I'll have a live super project meetup. Children, anyone that is interested in speaking Igbo, you don't have to be Igbo. Whatever, if you're interested. I mean, there's so many of us learning to speak other languages. I'm learning to speak French. I'm not French. I'm learning to speak Mandarin. I'm not Chinese yet. I'm learning the language. So you don't have to be a part of a culture to learn how to. It's just, becoming part of the world that is, it's just the whole globalization thing. So seriously, if you want to learn to speak Igbo, whether you're Igbo or not, please, you're more than welcome to join us on the super project. More information will be coming on concerning this. In the meantime, I'm going to be shooting videos with the children. We'll be speaking Igbo together as much as possible. I'll be correcting them, letting them make their sentences. My son Ralochukwu is classic. Whenever you tell him, Charles, he's so interested, he's so keen to speak Igbo. But whenever you say to him, Charles, say something Igbo, he goes on speaking some tongue that I really don't know where it's come from. But it's interesting seeing that interest. So guys, it's interesting seeing the interest. Anyway, it's interesting seeing him do that. So guys, I don't know how you are learning to speak Igbo, how your kids are learning to speak Igbo. Please join us. I just saw a video a few days ago about this gentleman who was speaking Yoruba with his kids in the car. I think they're based here in the UK, and oh my gosh, it was absolutely amazing watching those children, little boys, little ones like this, speaking Yoruba to him. I was like, oh my god, I want to get there. I need to get there. So I'm giving myself at least between 3 and 6 months to see our progress. So guys, follow us through this journey of the super project. I would love to have you take part, ask questions, comment, whatever, guys. Just take part. Drop me an email, super.tilc@gmail.com, and I will reply. So happy people, happy new year. I don't know what you're doing this year. What are the plans for 2019? Remember, whilst planning, putting everything in God's hand. Whatever you plan to do, put it in God's hands, asking God for his grace that it goes out well. For my birthday, right now, as soon as I turn the camera off, I'm going out shopping. And what am I going to buy? I don't know. I've always wanted, this year, I think my birthday present for this year is going to probably take the whole year. It's just going to be gradual, because I'm hoping I get myself a brand new laptop and a new camera and a new car and I need a gaming laptop and a few other things. The thing is, in life, we keep needing and wanting. So my birthday is going to just spread out through the year as I spread love. That's my mantra. That's what I'm sharing this year. Spread the love, people. Guys, wherever you see, it doesn't take anything to be nice to people. So Be nice to whomever you come across. You never know when you will meet them again. Be nice to people. That's what we do this year whilst teaching Igbo as well. So guys, and hopefully as well, I'm hoping to do a lot more collaborations with other people. You know, it's a way for me to grow my channel. It's a way to spread the whole message of people learning a different language besides just speaking English language, learning a different language, learning to speak Igbo. I'm hoping to do a lot more collaborations with others. So if you would like to collaborate with me, please drop an email, get in touch. I'm super nice in real life, so I will very, 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 very likely give you a yes or a see how it goes. So guys, ana wasino jisieno ike Chukwu gozie kono sibido for 2020. Enjoy yourselves, have a good time, and Kodino. See ya.